Hello everyone.
Happy January 10th. Today we celebrate bittersweet chocolate, houseplants, and the joy of flavor and greenery. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Bittersweet Chocolate Day. A rich treat for chocolate lovers. A great gift could be a gourmet chocolate bar, a baking kit, or a chocolate-scented candle. Do you prefer dark or milk chocolate? Let's sweeten the comments. It's Houseplant Appreciation Day. A green salute to indoor nature. A thoughtful gift could be a potted plant, a plant care kit, or a decorative planter. What's your favorite houseplant? Let's grow the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's National Cut Your Energy Costs Day. A practical reminder to save and sustain. A sweet gift could be LED light bulbs, a smart plug, or an eco-friendly starter kit. What's your best energy-saving tip? Let's share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 6th to 10th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.